Join me for a day of work in my blacksmith shop. Welcome! We're back in the shop. It's supposed to be super duper hot, 92 degrees or something. So far as what the plan is today, I'm thinking making some smaller stuff, like some hooks, maybe fire poker, roasting forks. I have quite a few half-done projects that I'd like to just finish, and then the plan is to list these for sale on my Etsy shop once I get them done. So here's a couple pieces that I think might be working with. This looks like either 5/16 or 3/8. There's already a taper drawn on both ends, so I think I might just warm up by making a few basic J-hooks, maybe in a couple different designs out of these pieces. My shop is somewhat in disarray, so I need to move some things around before I can properly start. The tractor's going by. It's the old David Brown. It is hay season around here, so a little sneak peek at some future things to come. This is my 25-pound little giant power hammer, which my brother is helping me to get running. My slack tub got emptied out while we were rearranging things in my shop, so I've got to fill it back up. I'm going to start out with forging 3 J-hooks. I was actually planning originally to keep these hooks for myself and use them to hang some mugs up in my house, but as it turns out, once I finish them, they're too big for the space, so they'll be going up on my Etsy shop as well. This set of hooks is done, except for the fact that they still need holes drilled, but you know, it is heating up even hotter. It's 90 degrees and probably hotter than that next to the fire. Next up, I'm gonna forge a fire poker. Once I finish cleaning it up, this end is done, and I'll quench it in the slack tub to cool it off so that I can hold this end and then start forging the handle. This handle is going to have a leaf and then a long drawn out stem that wraps back around itself to form a comfortable handle that also has a place to hang the fire poker from. Sometimes I chisel veins on my leaves, but on this one I did not, so now I'm going to move on to drawing out the stem. now that the fire poker's done, I'm gonna move on to forging a bracelet. Now, I actually started this bracelet a long time ago. I flattened it, I chiseled a pattern in it, and I pretty much just need to bend it. I made a few different hooks. I have them over here. I still need to drill holes in them. I've finished a bracelet that I had partway done. I've made a fire poker, and right now I am beating away on a piece of high carbon steel, which I'm turning into an eye drift. An eye drift is the tool that you use to stretch out the head of like an axe or a hammer. So I'm making this one so that I can make hatchets or axes. It's basically the tool that you would need like right here to stretch out the hole to put the handle in. So I already have my hatchet handle right here. I'm looking to get this piece of steel roughly this dimension so that I can make some hatchets to put on my hatchet handle. So this eye drift is made from a piece of about 1 inch round steel that used to be part of a spring. It's high carbon, it's probably about 5160, and it is so hard to work with. So hard to work with. On this piece for probably at least an hour, and by the end it really just felt like it kind of spit in my eye and said, ha, not moving. But I did make a little bit of progress. If you look very closely, you can tell how whenever I hit it with the hammer, it appears to do nothing. I'm gonna let that cool off now and drill the holes in the hooks now that they're cool enough to hold in my hands. had enough. So we're done for the day. It's only probably 3 or 4 hours worth of work, but I got 3 J-hooks done, I got a fire poker done, and a forged bracelet, as well as a lot of good progress on the eye drift punch that I'm gonna use to make hatchets. Thank you so much for watching, and if I may make a suggestion, subscribe to my channel.